Welcome to Python tutorial lesson 27. Today we learn virtual environments. They isolate packages, so projects do not conflict. Without virtual environments, all packages install globally and can clash. The venv module creates a separate folder with its own pip and packages. Activate to use it. Deactivate to go back. First, let us check our system Python version and location. Pip list shows every package installed globally. This list grows with every project. Python-myenv creates a new environment folder called myenv. Inside the venv folder, you get a separate bin, lib, and include directory. Your packages go into site packages. Source activate switches to the venv. Notice the myenv prefix in the prompt. Which Python now points inside the venv, not the system path. Deactivate returns to system Python. The prefix disappears. Pip is the standard package installer for Python. It downloads from the Python package index. Pip freeze captures exact versions for reproducible builds. Share requirements.txt so teammates get the same setup. Let us install the requests library. Pip downloads it along with its dependencies. Colorama adds colored terminal output. Pip caches downloads for faster reinstalls. Pip list shows every package in our environment, including dependencies. Pip freeze outputs the exact format for requirements.txt with version pinning. We redirect freeze output into requirements.txt to save our dependencies. The file lists each package with its exact version. Anyone can recreate this environment. Now we create a fresh environment and install from requirements.txt to prove it works. Pip install -r reads the file and installs every package at the pinned version. The fresh environment has the same packages. This is how teams share dependencies. Now let us put it all together by building a project inside a virtual environment. We write a script that fetches API data using requests. This is the standard workflow. Let us create app explanation.demo.py inside our activated virtual environment. We import requests, the library we installed with pip. The URL points to a free test API that returns fake user data in JSON format. We loop through the first 5 users and print each name and email. The summary shows the total count and HTTP status code from the response. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the script. The API returned all 10 users with status 200. We printed the first 5 with their emails. Pip freeze confirms requests is installed in our venv, the which command shows the venv path. This workflow, create venv, install packages, code, freeze, is how professionals manage Python projects. Let us recap virtual environments. venv isolates packages per project. Pip freeze saves exact versions to requirements.txt. Always use a venv for real projects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we cover unit testing.